Mounting GreenLink strut frames for rooftop support of mechanical equipment without penetrating the ModBit roof membrane while reducing labor costs. GreenLink adhesive sealant can be bonded to fully adhered ModBit membranes, allowing rooftop equipment to remain secure where high wind conditions and seismic events prevail. Elevated strut frames utilize knucklehead stanchions, a specially designed GreenLink element consisting of slotted galvanized steel channel with an overmolded urethane footing that secures into the knucklehead base. A Sharpie is used to mark the areas where the frame will be positioned. Assembled strut frames feature 4 bases with attached stanchions, each with 38 square inches of surface area. GreenLink adhesive sealant is gunned directly to the base surfaces and evenly spread using a notched trowel. The frame can then be positioned into the marked circles on the ModBit membrane. Pressure on the frame forces adhesive to squeeze out of base holes. Squeeze out allows adhesive to be exposed to atmospheric moisture, which accelerates curing. On ModBit adhered to concrete, once cured, GreenLink adhesive sealant can deliver more than 1,000 pounds of uplift resistance, which secures strut frames well in high wind conditions. GreenLink cured adhesive is extremely elastic, so it can absorb energy and increase the probability of remaining intact during seismic events and cycling wind gusts. Adjustable strut frame allows easy mounting of equipment. Frame allows secure attachment of electrical box. Mounting rooftop equipment using strut frames reduces labor-intensive mechanical fastening and eliminates the risk of penetrating the ModBit membrane. The base is designed with 4 center holes for accepting mechanical fasteners if attachment is required. GreenLink adhesive sealant can be combined with mechanical fasteners for exceptionally secure attachment.